Today, we will learn how to use these and those in English. We use these to talk about things that are close to us and are plural, more than one. These are ducks. These are cats. These are bags. These are dolls. These are cups. These are cars. These are rats. These are chairs. These are pens. We use those to talk about things that are far from us and are plural, more than one. Those are cars. Those are dogs. Those are birds. Those are houses. Those are balls. Those are trees. Those are kites. Those are stars. Those are buses.